Hi, I'm Samara, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this move here, which is called a Z-spin. Hold the hoop in your right hand, palm facing down and thumb pointing to your left. Move your right arm from the ground to the left of your body, then above your body, and rotate your hand 180 degrees so the palm faces away from your body. As you move the hoop towards your right side, rotate the wrist 180 degrees again so your palm faces towards you. As you make the arm movement more fluid, the two 180-degree wrist rotations become one 360-degree movement that occurs when the hoop is above your head. Once you have it down with your right hand, try it with your left hand. Take the hoop in your left hand, thumb pointing to your right. Move your left arm in a circle towards the right of your body, rotating your wrist at the top. Continue moving your arm to the right, the top, rotate the left, the ground to continue the move. The move is commonly seen thumb lev, where your arm moves in the direction of your thumb, like how I'm moving my arm here, but you can also try it pinky led. The mechanics of the move are the same in this variation. Instead of moving your arms in the direction the thumb is pointing, you will move your arm in the direction the pinky is pointing. Try it out and see how it feels with both your right and left hands holding the hoop. Oof, I get a little itchy here. Let's now go over a couple transitions. You can do a forward weave and rotate your body into a Z-spin. Here I show you how to do this with both my right and left hands, holding the hoop. Another idea is to go from a two-handed helicopter into a Z-spin. This one helps switch from one plane of hoop movement to another. Any move I mention in this video that I have a tutorial on will be linked in the description below. And that's it. Let me know how you like this move in the comments below, and have an above average day.